Putting up a curtain rail.
We've got to get more that way.
Right, just hold it like that. Lean this out. Right, that's it. Okay, I'm trying to pull this, and you're pushing
You're
against
going
it.
to pull it off the bloody thing when you're trying to manipulate it round.
Well, I've got no choice. We've got to get the curtain on there, yeah? Fucking poles all crooked and everything.
Scratched up all the wall.
Right, hold it like that, please.
Yeah. I can't see how you're going to get it round.
Huh?
You're not going to get it round, don't you, now? You've got to push it through a bit more.
Right, hold on. Let's put this on there, and then you'll be able to see how it is to go. Just give me some control, please. Just a little bit. Fucking turns off the wall for 10 miles.
It's too big, ain't it?
Right?
Yeah.
Right, just hold the pole straight, so keep it in a twist.
Can you be quick? It's like twisting in your hands the way it gets going. Hold on, we need to put the curtain on it now.
Yeah, well, we're just seeing. Right. Now,
No, that's fine, the length is fine.
so all we need to do
Yeah.
is we can adjust this so this bracket goes back to the wall. So it's quite far away.
We need to push
Push yours against the wall.